Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to improve your skills and enhance productivity. Whether you are an aspiring professional or an expert or a business owner or aiming for personal growth, this video will guide you through essential strategies to enhance your capabilities and productivity. Watch this video till the end. We will explore some very good strategies which would be very helpful for you in future. 8 key strategies that we will discuss in this video tutorial. The first one is to set clear goals. Number 2, embrace continuous learning. Number 3, prioritize and organize tasks. Number 4, use the right technology tools. Develop strong communication skills. Focus on well-being and work-life balance. Seek mentorship and feedback. And the last one is to embrace a growth mindset, think positive. These are those 8 key strategies that we will discuss in this video tutorial in detail. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends, and hit the notification bell. The first strategy is to set clear and achievable goals. Setting clear and achievable goal is a cornerstone of success. By defining SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, you can create a roadmap to guide your actions and measure your progress. Let me give you some examples related to this first strategy, which is to set clear and achievable goals. Example number 1. For example, as a project manager, set a goal to reduce project completion time by 20% over the next quarter. Streamline processes, improve team communication, and utilize project management tools. If you are working in a disaster relief programs, so aim to distribute emergency supplies to 1,000 families within 2 weeks. This is an example of a SMART goal. It's clear, timeline is there, target is there, and for that what you need to secure supplies, identify distribution points, and coordinate logistics. Example 3. How to set a clear and achievable goal for personal growth. Aim to learn a new skill like data analysis by completing a course and applying the knowledge to a small project within a month. Fourth example is related to a fundraising program. For example, if you are running a fundraising campaign, so set a target to raise $50,000, for example, for a cause within 6 months. Develop a marketing strategy, host events, and engage with those. Example, if you are a field officer, so aim to conduct a survey in 50 communities within a month, then travel, coordinate with local leaders, and compile data. So these are some of the examples of how to set clear and achievable goals. This is our first strategy. You want a success in your life, so the first thing that you need is to set clear and achievable goals. The second strategy is to embrace continuous learning. Continuous learning is crucial for staying relevant and adaptable. Embrace opportunities for professional development and knowledge expansion. Let me give you some examples related to this strategy. You can enroll in online courses on platforms like Coursera or LinkedIn, learning to stay updated with the latest development in your field. Attend industry-specific conferences or workshops to network and gain insight into emerging trends and best practices. Join professional association or groups on social media to access a wealth of resources, webinars, and discussions. Another example could be read industry journals, books, and articles to deepen your understanding and stay informed about the latest research and innovations. The fifth example related to continuous learning is to engage in cross-training within your organization to gain a broader understanding of different roles and functions. The third strategy is to prioritize and organize tasks. Effective time management is a key driver of productivity. Prioritizing and organizing tasks ensure that you focus on what's most important and make the best use of your time. Let me give you some example related to this third strategy. Number one, use a matrix to organize tasks like urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, etc. Categorize them. Implement time blocking in your calendar to allocate specific times for focused work, meetings, and breaks. Third example, create a daily to-do list with clear priorities. Start with the most critical task and work your way down the list. Working in a humanitarian project, prioritize tasks like needs assessment, resource mobilization, and stakeholder coordination based on the project's timeline and urgency. The fifth example to prioritize and organize tasks is to use digital tools like Trello, Asana, or Microsoft Planner to keep track of tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities, ensuring efficient project management and collaboration. So these were some examples related to the third strategy, which is to prioritize and organize your tasks. The fourth strategy, make use of latest technology and tools. In this digital age, technology and tools can significantly enhance your product. Utilize the right tools to streamline workflows, improve accuracy, and facilitate better decision making. Let's discuss some examples related to how to use technology and tools. For example, use MS Excel or Power BI for data visualization and reporting. For instance, create dashboards to track key metrics in humanitarian crises, such as distribution of aid, number of beneficiaries, and resource availability. Implement cloud-based collaboration tools like Google Workspace or Microsoft Teams for seamless communication and document sharing among remote teams. Utilize project management softwares like MS Project Management, Jira, or Basecamp to manage complex projects, assign tasks, and monitor progress in real time. You can simply use Excel also. Automate repetitive tasks using tools like Google Sheet, MS Excel data models, or Zapier. If, for example, automatically update spreadsheet or send notification when specific criteria are met. So these are some of the tools which can automate your repetitive tasks. Fifth example is to use Maps, GIS tools for mapping and analyzing geographical data, which is crucial in disaster response and resource allocation. So you can use Maps and Excel also, or in Power BI also, or you can use GIS. So are some of the examples related to the fourth strategy. Now let's discuss fifth strategy, which is to develop strong communication skills. Communication skills are essential in any professional setting. Effective communication fosters collaboration, builds relationships, and ensures clarity in conveying ideas. Practice active listening in meetings by summarizing what others have said and asking clarifying questions. This demonstrates engagement and understanding. A second example, develop clear and concise written communication skills, especially when drafting reports, proposals, or emails. You can take help nowadays from ChatGPT and other AI tools also. The third example is, if you are working in humanitarian context, you should use culturally sensitive communication with local communities and stakeholders. This helps build trust and ensures messages are well received. The fourth example is improve public speaking skills by participating in workshops or joining groups, Toastmasters. This helps in delivering presentation and leading meetings confidently. This is basically Toastmaster. Use non-verbal communications effectively, such as eye contact, using appropriate body language, and being mindful of your tone. The sixth strategy is focus on well-being and work-life balance. This is also very important. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial for sustained productivity and well-being. Prioritizing your mental and physical health helps prevent burnout and promotes overall happiness. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life. For instance, designate specific hours for work and avoid checking emails outside these times. Incorporate a regular physical activity into your routine, such as yoga, walking, or gym workouts, to reduce stress and boost energy levels. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation, deep breathing exercises to manage stress and improve mental clarity. Take short breaks during work hours to refresh and recharge. Use techniques like Pomodoro technique, which involves working for 25 minutes and taking a 5 minutes break. And ensure that you get sleep and maintain a balanced diet to support overall health and well-being. Seventh strategy, which is to seek mentorship and feedback. This is very important to learn from others, to get feedback from others, to discuss things. Mentorship and constructive feedback are invaluable for personal and professional growth. Learning from experienced professionals provides guidance and helps you refine your skills. Identify a mentor within your organization or industry who can provide guidance and share their experiences. Schedule regular meetings to discuss your goals and challenges. Another example could be actively seek feedback on your performance from colleagues, supervisors, and stakeholders. Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and set new goals. Participate in peer review sessions where colleagues provide feedback on your work. This can be especially valuable in creative field or research. Join professional networks or forums where you can share experiences and receive advice from others in your field. And reflect on feedback received and create a personal development plan to address weaknesses and build on strength. The eighth and final strategy is to embrace a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. Embracing this mindset fosters resilience and a love for learning. View challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than obstacles. For instance, if a project faces setbacks, analyze the situation, learn from it, and adopt your approach. Celebrate small wins and progress, acknowledging the efforts and growth you have achieved. This reinforces positive behavior and motivation. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement within your team or organization. Share knowledge and experiences to collectively grow and innovate. Be open to new experiences and perspectives, even if they push you out of your comfort zone. This openness can lead to unexpected opportunities and learning. And practice self-reflection regularly to assess your mindset, beliefs, and behaviors. Identify areas where you can shift from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. In conclusion, improving your skills and enhancing productivity is a journey that requires commitment and a proactive approach. By implementing these strategies, you can achieve remarkable growth and make a meaningful impact in your field. In this today tutorial, we discussed 8 strategies which includes your goals. Then the second, embrace continuous learning, prioritize and organize tasks, use the right tools, develop strong communication skill, focus on well-being and work-life balance, seek mentorship and feedback, and embrace a growth mindset. Think positive. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you found these strategies useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's continue to grow and succeed together. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends, and hit the notification bell. If you visit our channel, so you can find lots of YouTube and playlists on monitoring, evaluation and research, what is monitoring, how to do it, designing logical framework, result framework, theory of change. Similarly, we have playlists of Microsoft Excel, learning data analysis function. So there are lots of tutorial on data analysis, how to do. There are lots of tutorial on how to do online data collection with Kobo, MS Form, Google Forms, online data collection tools, Kobo. You can improve a lot of your skills through easy ways to collect online data and analyze that. Similarly, ChatGPT and other AI tools, MS Access, if you want to learn Microsoft Access, so there is a detailed tutorial on MS Access and SPSS, and similarly other tutorials that can benefit you a lot. We also provide one-on-one session if you are interested to learn about any of these topics. Here you can see the WhatsApp number or Skype ID, email address. You can contact us. We provide one-on-one sessions also that we can discuss through WhatsApp or email. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends, and hit the notification bell.